So in this VistaCreate tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to underline text here on VistaCreate. So the first thing you have to do is obviously open up the VistaCreate website. Once that is done, go to the left-hand side, add some text to your document, pressing on text, going to add text, or you can do the exact same thing, go to the top here and press on text, and it does the exact same thing. So if you wanted to, for instance, underline text. I'll just go to this text right here. I'll make it a little bit larger just so you guys can see. Press on the text you want to underline. Go to the top to where this bar is right here where it says U with a line underneath it. Press on that. Now, if you wanted to undo it, press on the same thing and it undoes it. Now, if you only want to do, like, let's just say specific, we'll just do this one right here. We want to do text but not add text. I will press text right here. Go to the top, same thing, underline it, and it only impacts one part of a text, not the other. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to underline text here on VistaCreate. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.